Hi guys, this is Ballet Tutorial episode 4. Today we'll be talking about Tendu and Glissé. Before we go into that, let's have a look at our legs position. 1. Devant position is where your leg is going to the front. 2. Elasticon position is going to the side. And 3. Derriere is going to the back. You have to remember all these 3 positions. It is very important for ballet. The main emphasis for Tendu and Glissé is 1. The placement of the weight or weight transferring. You stand from 2 legs, transfer into 1 leg and back into 2 legs. 2. The articulation of the foot. You have to articulate your foot through demi before you point and back to demi, then you can close. And 3. The stability of your supporting leg. You have to stand tall on your supporting leg, lengthen your spine, have the sense of elongation of the body, and do not sit on your supporting leg. The difference between Tendu and Glissé is 1. The position. Tendu position is fully stretching your legs and pointing your toes on the floor, versus Glissé will be slightly off the floor. And 2. Dynamic. Tendu is more into the lengthening of the legs, but Glissé, it will be more dynamic and we have to add on the accent into it. Watch out for losing the stability of the pelvis or the placement of the pelvis in derriere position, just like this. So, you have to focus on engage your abdominal muscles to maintain your pelvis in the neutral as much as possible. 2. Hiking of the hips in elasticon position. You have to keep your hips nice and square. And 3. Circle of the foot. Stretch the entire leg through the tip of the toes. Create one long line without dropping your heels. Alright, I think we have enough talking, and let's have a look at our Tendu and Glissé exercise. That's it for our Tendu and Glissé exercise. I hope you have a better understanding of it. If you have any question, please comment below. And don't forget to click like and share, as well as subscribe my channel for more videos in the future. For today, thank you very much, and until next time.